Hello, we are from Group 4. We'll explain about investment. What is investment? Investment is investment, usually in the long term, for the procurement of complete assets or the purchase of shares and other securities for profit. Factors that influence investment. There are interest rates, per capita national income, natural resource, human resource, bureaucratic risks, and others.
Factors that influence investment. 1. Interest rates. Interest rates are one of the most important factors in attracting investment. This is because most investments are usually financed from bank loans. 2. Per capita national income. It besides national income per capita is a reflection of the purchasing power of the people or the market. And 3. Natural resources. The natural resources of a country can be an attraction for right investor to invest. This is also the case in your country. And 4. Human resources. The quality of human resources is a very important investment attraction.
In the investment world, there are various derivatives from expense that are used as the basis for formulating strategies in condition, analyzing, and making investment decisions. According to Keynes, investment decisions are taken by comparing the match with the real interest rate, match or marginal efficiency of capital is the rate of return when a project reaches the break-even point, or the expected return on an investment.